This elevator is still original. This is the elevator at the Cowden Family Resources Building at ASU Tempe. Oh, I'm so happy this is still a US elevator. Lately, we've lost a lot of nice elevators here. Oh, someone had to call it. That's fine. Okay, there's no one there. Go to one. This elevator deserves one more round trip. Let's go to two. So hard to find these US elevators. We're gonna go to one and then get off at two. Please, ASU, don't modernize this elevator. This elevator is one of a kind.